Login loop error on Open Bank project fix. If you ever try to log in through a financial app powered by the Open Bank project, only to get stuck in an endless login loop, you know how annoying it can be. You enter your details, the page reloads, and you're right back where you started. But most people get this wrong. It's not that your credentials are invalid. Problem lies in how your app and the Open Bank project servers communicate. The Open Bank project is a platform that connects banks and fintech apps using open banking APIs. When the login loop appears, it usually means something has gone wrong during session verification. Either old cookies, cached data, or mismatched tokens are preventing your session from being recognized. To fix this, first, close your banking or financial app completely. Then go to your device settings, find the app, and clear its cache and stored data. If you're using a web browser, clear cookies and history for the site that's looping. Next, reopen the app and reconnect your account. When you're redirected to the Open Bank project's authentication screen, manually re-enter your login information instead of using saved passwords or autofill. If your bank requires two-factor authentication, complete it immediately. Delays or missed prompts can cause the verification to fail, sending you right back to the start. Another hidden cause is FBIN interference. If you're using one, turn it off temporarily. The Open Bank project uses strong geolocation and IP verification, and a masked tip can look like a security threat. Finally, ensure that your app and your device's software are fully updated. Compatibility issues are a common reason for repeated logins failing to sync properly. Once you've done these steps, try logging in again. The loop should disappear. So, the next time your Open Bank project login keeps spinning in circles, remember, it's not your fault. It's just your session data causing a miscommunication. Clear it, reconnect, and you'll be back in control of your financial dashboard in no time.